Today I'm going to have you guys experiment with a few different things on Scratch. So let's get started. First of all, if you are in Google Classroom, let these classes load. It should say something about gate. Alright, so in day number 2 we have this top link posted. Go ahead and open that up. There's a few things you need to open here. This is your directions for today. Okay, it'll show you what to do right down here. This is your code. Okay, when you finish with that, the other thing you need to do is, of course, open Scratch and get yourself logged in. Okay, I'm already logged in. You guys will head over to the Create tab. Okay, first thing I'd like you to do is get rid of Untitled 3 and instead make it day number 2, because this is our second day of coding together. Okay, and one of the things I want you to pay attention to is in Classroom I also posted instructions for today, and when you finish that, which is going to be really quick, I want you to go to these Scratch videos. And they show you how to make your sprite spin, make your sprite change color, and make your sprite dance. Okay, so automatically I want to show you how to do that by clicking the scissors, getting rid of that sprite, and let's get a new sprite. Okay, I'll grab Amon. Doesn't matter which sprite you grab, you can grab whichever one you'd like. Okay, so we're going to start out by grabbing our events when green flag clicked. We're going to move 10 steps and we're going to turn 15 degrees. Okay, so if I do this, every time I click the flag, he does exactly that. Okay, now he's pretty much back at starting position. Okay, go to Control and grab your forever block. Snap the blue ones in the middle, just like that. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, he just continues his spinning. Alright, now something we're going to do different. Not this. We want to, now that our sprite is spinning, I want you guys to play around with these numbers in here, but before you do that, a lot of kids lose their sprite, so go down to motion at the very bottom, if on edge bounce, and when you make this to, I don't know, 25 steps, he's going to start bouncing off the walls. If you don't put this piece in here, he is going to go out of this square and you won't be able to find him. And now let's figure out how to change his color. We need to go back to Events, click on your when space key pressed, and go to Looks. We are going to change color effect right down here by 25. Okay, so now when I press the space bar, well, first green flag and then space bar, you'll notice I can change the color of my guy. Kind of hard to keep track of him because he's moving so fast. Let's just do 3 steps and you can see he goes a lot slower. Okay, now when I'm pressing my space bar, you can see the color of his arms changing. If I want them to constantly change color, well, we kind of know how to do that already. We go to Forever and we add that in. And now I only have to click on the space bar once and the color constantly flashes. Okay, so play around with these numbers, see what happens. Just do the number 4, something a little softer, more gradual. You'll notice he still changes color, but it's not quite as fast. Or even if you put it as change color by 1, you can still see him going from blue to pink to red, orange, yellow, and all those things. There's another thing you can play with. Instead of changing the color, click this little drop down and try fisheye. This is really weird. You see your character's bloating, spacebar, and all of a sudden he's going to start to get huge. Okay. There's some other things you can play with, such as the whirl effect. Try these out. Have fun with it.